And today we're going to replace the windshield wiper blades on this street light. These are the blades here, look. Horrible. Look at the noise they're making and the scratches on the glass. Look how foggy it is. I mean, it's been a while since they were replaced. Replacing the blades is very easy because it uses the type of wall, the clip-on, the hook and socket type, as some call it. And another interesting fact that's quite unusual these days is that both blades are the same size.
To replace the blade on this 911, the first thing we'll do is go to the autoimpact app. We'll search for products here. We can type 911 here, search, and it will bring up all the options for 911s. For the one we're working on here, we'll go here. It offers the options of standard blade, universal blade, hybrid blade. 22 inches for both driver and passenger. We can see some details here, such as the blade and the attachment. We can also watch a video. As we saw in the app, the blade we need to use here in this Porsche is a 22-inch model. And we chose this PA22 model, which is part of the standard family. Always have plenty of information. So, we have the model here, right, indicating the size. Here we have a diagram that shows how to replace the blades. We always have a ruler, so we can check in centimeters and inches the blade currently installed in the car. And here we'll make the replacement. And here we have the model information, right, that this blade fits. And we can see here several Porsche models that have the same blades for replacement: 911, Boxster, and Cayman. We'll use the same measurement and the same installation method to see how it looks, right? The finish, right? The plastic construction we have here, the quality of the rubber, that rubber, right? The profile isn't that single profile. We check the rubber profile here. So, it's quite flexible, ensuring proper glass cleaning and drying, like a squeegee. Here's the protection for the J-type fitting. We'll show you how to install it on the car. It's an aerodynamic blade. So here we have this spoiler. When the blade works, the wind hits this spoiler and pushes the blade against the windshield, making it more functional for cleaning the glass. Well, as we mentioned, replacing it here is straightforward. We come here with the arm, the wiper, remove it from the windshield, and move it downward. The wall is loose here. Before installing, lower the wiper arm so you don't run the risk of it moving, hitting the arm, and hitting the windshield, which could actually break the windshield. This protection here for the blade, right, the hook, has these grooves here. Just press here, and it releases, and we can install it. Well, to install it here, we'll come with the new blade. You're going to pass your arm here through this hook protection. Then we come here, slide the blade to lock it here. Then just give it a little push, look. The latch here embraces the hook. Then just come here and apply the hook protection. And here we can then remove the rubber protection. Here on L, let's do it on the other side. In the same way, I pass my arm here through the hook, disconnect the wall here and lock it here. And look how it works here. Incomparable. No noise. Now cleaning the way it needs to be. You need a wiper blade for your Porsche. The Auto Impact Wiper Blade Specialist.